like to explain magnet. What is mean by magnet? It is a substance which attract small pieces of ions. It is a substance that attracts small pieces of ions and points in north-south direction. Points in north-south direction when suspended free is known as magnet. It attracts small pieces of iron and points in north-south direction when suspended free is known as magnet. Actually, we know that magnet are of two types. First one is natural magnet. Second one is artificial magnet. Natural magnet means it's occurring from nature. We get from nature. That is in irregular shape. For example, black stone. Example of magnet, natural magnet. Example of natural magnet is black stone. Next, one more example, leading stone. These are the example of natural magnet. Next one is artificial magnet. Artificial magnet means man-made magnet. That means regular in shape. Natural magnet irregular in shape. Artificial magnet regular in shape. Okay. For example, U-shaped magnet. Next one, U-shaped magnet. Bar magnet. These are the example of artificial magnet. Okay. Here we are using this artificial magnet. Next is magnetic field. This is a bar magnet. Space around a magnet where its effect can be felt. For example, if you are keeping one magnet, we are bringing one iron nails, it attract. Okay. Space around a magnet where its effect can be felt is known as magnetic field. It is denoted by the letter B. Okay. It is denoted by the letter B. Then SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. The next one is, here magnetic field I explained. Then magnetic effect of current. For example, we have to take one copper wire. Again this copper wire we have to, using that copper and again another wire, we have to connect with the battery. Okay, that copper wire we have to connect with the battery. Then we know that current is passes through the circuit. Automatically, copper is a good conductor of electricity. Current, it passes through this circuit. Then we have to bring one compass needle. Okay, we know that that's a needle having one needle like this it is. One side it is north, one side it is south. Okay, if you are keeping near to this wire, what happened? It shows deflection. From this experiment, we can identify that. This wire having some effect. Okay, that effect we can say that magnetic effect of current. Next one is magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines means this is magnetic field lines. Okay. Inside the magnetic field lines always from south field lines always south to north. Outside the magnet, magnetic field lines always from north to south. North to south. That's why I have shown direction like this. Inside, just opposite, I have given direction. Then, magnetic field lines are very close to each other. Here, very close to each other. In this case, strong magnetic field. Magnetic field lines are far from each other. Okay? That time it is weak magnetic field. Strong magnetic field lines are magnetic close to each other. Magnetic field lines far from each other, it is weak magnetic field. Okay? Then what is magnetic field lines? It is a curve. It is a curve. Okay? It is an imaginary curve. And actually, it is an imaginary curve. It is an imaginary curve. The magnet, that means the magnet, it is an imaginary curve. The magnetic field gives the direction, or the tangent gives the direction of magnetic field. It is an imaginary curve. The tangent gives the direction of magnetic field in that point. That is magnetic field. For example, we are bringing one compass needle here. It shows direction. Next again we are bringing. Then we will get this magnetic field lines. It is actually a curve. Okay. That tangent gives the direction of magnetic field in that point. That is magnetic field lines. The next is, what are the properties of magnetic field lines? What are the properties of magnetic field lines? First property, it is a closed continuous curve. First property is, first is magnetic field lines are closed continuous curve. Okay, it is starting from north pole to south pole. It is a continuous curve. Okay. First point, magnetic field lines closed continuous curve. It is starting from north pole and ending south pole. Okay. Second property is, the tangent at any point on the magnetic field lines gives the direction of magnetic field in that point. The tangent, if you are drawing that tangent gives the direction of magnetic field in that point. That is second property. Third one is, no two field lines can intersect each other. Okay, first one field lines like this, second field lines like this. 2 points are intersecting each other. Then what happened? This it is flowing this side, this it is going this side. We will get two direction. It is not possible. No two field lines can intersect each other. It's no two field lines cannot intersect. Can intersect each other. Okay. What's the reason? If it is intersecting each other, we will get two direction. That is not possible. Next one is, magnetic field lines are crowded. Already I explained. Crowded means, that is if your magnetic field lines are very close to each other, it is strong magnetic field. Magnetic field lines far from each other, it is weak magnetic field. These are the properties of magnetic field lines. Then first magnet, next is magnetic field, space around a magnet where its effect can be felt. Next heading is magnetic field lines. That means it is a curve around the magnet. It is a curve around the magnet. When the tangent, we draw any tangent gives the direction of magnetic field in that point. That is magnetic field lines. Next one, properties of magnetic field lines. Four properties I explained. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic magnetic effect of electric current.